Slower healing in redheads. Genetic link to wound recovery. A new study reveals that genetic variations associated with red hair may slow down wound healing, though the effect is likely minor and treatable. Researchers have discovered a link between the MC1R gene, which determines hair color, and the rate at which wounds close. This finding could lead to better treatments for chronic wounds, even in individuals with red hair. The genetic connection our hair color is largely determined by the MC1R gene, which controls the balance between dark brown and red-yellow pigments in hair follicles. People with brown or black hair typically carry active forms of this gene. In contrast, nearly all redheads have less active or completely inactive forms due to genetic mutations. The same protein encoded by MC1R also plays a role in skin inflammation, prompting scientists to investigate its influence on wound healing. Mouse study reveals healing differences. To explore this connection, researchers at the University of Edinburgh conducted a study on mice with black and red hair. The red-haired mice had a completely inactive form of the MC1R protein. After creating standardized wounds on the backs of both groups, they observed that wounds on the red-haired mice shrank by only 73% after 1 week, compared to 93% in the black-haired mice. This suggests that an active MC1R protein accelerates wound closure. Potential treatment for chronic wounds. The team then tested an experimental topical drug designed to boost the activity of active MC1R forms. When applied to wounds on black-haired mice, the drug increased wound closure by more than double the rate of untreated wounds. The drug works by reducing the number of inflammatory immune cells, which can stall healing in chronic conditions like diabetes. Implications for humans. Since wound healing is similar between mice and humans, this approach holds promise for treating people, even redheads. However, those with completely inactive MC1R forms may not benefit from the drug. Fortunately, most redheads have some degree of protein activity, making them potential candidates for treatment. Safety and future trials. Drugs targeting this protein are already used for conditions like erythropoietic protoporphyria, suggesting an acceptable safety profile. The team plans to start human trials soon, but further studies are needed to verify safety and effectiveness, especially in infected wounds. Some experts caution that the drug could disrupt the body's response to infection, though others believe it could have the opposite effect. Minor effect for redheads. Despite the findings, researchers stress that redheads shouldn't be overly concerned. The effect of MC1R on wound healing is likely small, and most individuals may not even notice a slight delay. The discovery, however, could lead to more effective treatments for chronic wounds, benefiting people of all hair colors.